Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given a line of best fit within a scatterplot, and we're asked which of the following best approximates the year in which the population of town T is projected to reach 5,000. So the population of the town is marked on the y-axis. So if we look, where does the line of best fit hit 5,000? We go on our thing and we see, okay, 5,000 is here, and so that's this line. So if we go across, we'll find a point eventually right here. This is the point at which it is on the line, and it has a y value, if we go back, of 5,000. So how do we find what year this is? Well, the year is marked on the x-axis, so what is the x value of this point? And we go down, and it's roughly halfway between 2020 and 2025, so we can call that 2022 or 2023, right? Really any value in between 2020 and 2025 will do, because if you look at our answers, 2017, 2022, 2028, and 2033, only one of them is between 2020 and 2025, and it's the first one we guessed, 2022, therefore B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.